Hey everybody, so today I wanted to come on here and talk about something that I'm really excited about. I obviously look really silly because I still have a bunch of lace on my head, but what I wanted to talk to you guys about is this wig. I just got this wig sent to me from Hairvivi and I'm really all about it because this is something I have not done anything to. I mean, straight out of the box. It came like this. It came plucked. It came with like the HD lace that needs no coloring at all. And I just did something kind of drastic to my hair. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I'm now bald. So because I do not have any hair anymore, I mean, I actually really like being bald. I don't mind it at all. So this wig right here is about to be like my main squeeze, like right now. It's so nice. It's just, it's so effortless. And it's just so easy. And this is literally, as I was looking in the mirror, like thinking to myself, this is the ultimate everyday wig for me. Like when I go to school, when I go to work, when I go out, this takes 2 seconds to put on. I don't need to put any got-to-be glue on my edges. I don't need to put hairspray on unless I really want to. I'm so excited about this. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about it and show you guys how I apply this wig and tell you guys all the amazing details about it because it's making me really excited lately, honestly. So this wig came in this little like Ziploc bag, which I'm actually gonna keep because I feel like it's perfect for storing my wig in. It's literally the most like simple Ziploc bag, but like for some reason I'm all about that. Like I feel like it's better to put it in there than and throw it in my drawer than to just like throw it in my hair drawer, because I have a hair drawer and I just throw everything in there usually. So I just thought that was nice. I like the reusability of that bag. So check one. Really nice reusability. So the next thing that my package came with was this this carbon anti-static comb. So this is really nice because, you know, usually you want to comb your hair out with a brush, but if you use this, it's going to significantly reduce the amount of flyaways that you have. It's like a really nice flyaway tamer, especially if you use this in conjunction with maybe like spray this with a little bit of hairspray even. This is going to help really get rid of your flyaways if you have any at all. So I really like that. I really like that their packaging comes with this because it's just really convenient, and anything with a rat tail comb is just like right up my alley because you always can use a rat tail comb to like braid your hair, part your hair, whatever. But yeah, so this is a really nice flyaway tamer that I really like that it came with. And then it just comes, what else is in here? Then it just comes with 2 little clips to help you if you need help putting this wig on your head. This is the clip that you can use. I love the adjustable strap on this. It's like a bra strap basically for your wig to adjust it and make it fit perfectly. So I just have it, let me actually put it on the highest one. So this is gonna make it really tight. I get a small cap size, by the way. I like my wigs to be really tight. I kind of have like I guess you could say I have a small head. I don't have a lot of hair, so it just works out for me if my wig caps are in a small, because if they're in a medium or a large, they're gonna be like so much extra room in the back. So the small really helps me. So to put this on, you just want to make sure the lace is like pushed down right here. And then you're just going to move it where you want it. Now this also has a bit of a faux scalp in it that has a really nice long parting space that I'm like really happy about. I like when my middle parts are really long and deep. I don't know why. I put the comb underneath the elastic band just to like hold it there, since I don't have any hair for it to hold on to, and that works just as good as anything. So when I got this wig, it actually came with this little baby hair. I'm not a fan of baby hair, you all know, but I'm going to leave it for the sake of the video because it's not killing me, it's not bothering me. I think it kind of looks cute. When it comes to the edges, this is the situation going on right now on both sides. So now it's just time to kind of cut around, cut where it's not going to look super wiggy and you won't be able to see the lace anymore. So that's what I'm going to do now with the same eyebrow razor. Since it's a middle part, usually you're just going to take overall, you're wanting to start off slow. The worst thing you can do is go in, think you know what you're doing when you don't, and then cut too much lace off, and therefore you look stupid and bald-headed. So the best thing for you to do is take your time, know where your edges actually are, and do a little bit at a time. Do not do a lot at a time. If this is too hard, using one of these, sometimes it's too much for some people. I suggest using eyebrow scissors or regular scissors. Just make sure they're sharp scissors. That's all you have to do. So the issue that I have now, there really is no issue. I'm done with my hair. All I needed was to cut that lace off and voila, c'est fini. So now what you're going to see me do is, I have this issue of this tab right here, right? So to fix that, if it bothers you and you don't really want it to just be hanging loose, I have a little bit of this that I'm going to put on the edges, and it's just going to keep the side tabs put. Keep them down, keep them stuck to your head. That's all, because this part doesn't need anything, so I'm just going to put a little bit on the sides. After you put the gel on the sides, you really just need to wrap your head with a scarf and let it sit for probably 4 or 5 minutes, maybe 10. Maybe you can do your makeup, whatever you want to do, and then I'll be right back. So now we're about to take the scarf off, and all of our wildest dreams should come true now, for sure, for sure. What do you guys think of this hair? Do you like it? I mean, I honestly, I don't know how you can't not like it. I don't know how you could dislike this hair other than for it being like, you know, on the shorter side, but I kind of was in dire need of a short wig. So the fact that this is like 20 inches doesn't bother me. I really actually, I just feel like it makes it look even more natural, you know? So you guys, this hair has a 200 density. It really epitomizes a fresh relaxer, and it retails for about $244. Also, this is not a frontal wig. This is a 5.5 inch parting like lace front cap. So I could part it anywhere from here to here, but I can't like do a deep part, which I never do. I always stick with middle parts anyway, so it's not a big deal. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. I don't have anything else to say about this wig other than I love that it's literally so easy to blend. This is literally the perfect everyday wig. Like, this is the ultimate everyday hair for me, because it's just like, you don't have to think about it. You just like throw it on and go. Like, look at that. It's just literally super effortless. I love this HD lace. It's just so perfect. I think if I was going to do anything to this hair, it would be just putting a little bit of powder right here. Again, I'm pretty content right now with how everything looks, to where I'm not going to do that immediately, but I'm very, very happy. All the details on this hair, including the length, the density, the links to it, will be linked in the description bar below. So if you have any more information that you want on this hair, look there for all that information. I will definitely put it there, don't you worry. And I want to talk to you guys later, and I want to say thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Of course I could style this hair, honestly, but it's like, just like, honestly, it's just silky hair. Like, there's no reason for me to reinvent the wheel right now, so I'm not about to do a lot to it. But yeah, I'm very happy. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of it in the description. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.